Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Henry. Today I'm your main chef. Let me introduce to you our second chef in command, Yap Rainy.
Hello, hi guys. Thank you all. My name is Yap.
For our show today, we will be cooking Normandy Chicken Stew with brown rice and fried by Yap. Hey Yap, please show them the recipe.
Alright, give me a sec. Here it is, the recipe. Please have a look. Our main dish today, which is Normandy Chicken Stew, is super delicious and mouth-watery, which guarantee to have you feeling another cup of rice. Let's go.
First of all, we will be preparing our soft brown rice for tonight.
So, dear chef, why do we use soft brown rice instead of our normal white rice? What are the benefits?
Good questions, Yap. So, soft brown rice have a higher fiber content which help regulate digestion and promotes a healthy gut. It has a lower glycemic index than white rice, meaning it causes slower, more stable rise in blood sugar. It is important for diabetes prevention and control.
Oh. After cooking the rice, we peel the apple and slice them into pieces.
Hey Yap, why use apple?
Well, it's because apple gives the stew a subtle sweetness and fruity aroma. And besides this, it also gives a nutritional boost, which means that it adds more dietary fiber, vitamin C, and also antioxidants into the dish, which makes it a lot more healthier.
Next, cut and chop the garlic and onion. Garlic is known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties. Onion also supports immunity and has anti-inflammatory effects. Both garlic and onion are rich in antioxidants and help lower serum cholesterol and blood pressure. Next, we marinate the chicken with salt and pepper. Hi guys, so now I'm going to start my first dish, which is Normandy Chicken Stew. Let's go!
Next up, we heat the oil over medium to high heat. And then we brown the chicken on all sides for about 5 to 6 minutes. Remove the chicken and set them aside. Next, we saute the apple and season them with sugar.
Next, saute the garlic and onion and brown them in high heat or medium heat oil.
Over here, we are using the emerald cooking cream, so pour in half of it into your stew. Add in the apples earlier and transfer the whole chicken stew into a bigger pot. Pour in the apple cider to your liking and stir to deglaze. Bring the stew to a simmer and cook for around 30 minutes until the chicken is tender. Due to our unlimited resources in Vietnam, Our pot is unfortunately not big enough, but there is no need to transfer if your pot is bigger at home. Additionally, please be extra gentle to the chicken because it is quite sensitive.
Moving on to our second dish, which is stir-fried bayam with garlic. So first we heat the oil and add the garlic and stir-fry until fragrant. Next, add the bayam and toast it using limited fork and spoon. Season with salt.
And serve.
Hey ya! Pork quiz. Why go bayam?
Because bayam is an excellent source of non-heme iron, which is very good to prevent anemia. It could also prevent constipation too, especially needed for someone like you.
Hey!
Shh! We are recording now. Besides that, it is also good for weight management because it has low in calories.
I've done my second dish. With that, I present to you Henry's fried bayam.
Cut! So Henry, what happened to your first dish?
Oh sorry, be right back.
At last, let us present to you Henry's Normandy Chicken Stew.
To top up this, I would like to drink this 100% orange juice to increase my fiber intake. Hope you enjoy this moment.